we started out our trip, 7 a.m. We're making a drive to Loei Chiang Khan district. And we're not sure exactly what we know we're for sure going to go to the Skywalk today.
Our first time.
So the other part I want you to see is that it's a 2-lane road. I don't know if it's all going to be like this, but so far it has been. I think he's telling me I can pass. They have different ways of doing things here. Thank you, my friend.
They tell you that you can go, yeah. But you cannot be sure if there's a lane.
Yeah, if he's going to turn or if he's telling me to pass.
You don't know exactly.
Yeah. So we're driving in the mountains today, huh? We're going to go higher into the mountains?
Yeah,
we don't know. Fern, have you been to Loei before?
Yeah.
I've never been anywhere. She's making her first trip everywhere with me. Annampon. 109 เดินไร Turn here. We're at Chiang Khan for the Skywalk, and there's a ticket booth where you buy.
Choose to be worn over your shoes only before entering the Skywalk.
Okay, so we pick up the shoes right here, and then we take them with us and put them on when we get to the Skywalk. Okay, over this way is the directions to the Song Taos that we're gonna ride going up to the Skywalk. They make it pretty convenient for you, but I really wanted to drive up there myself. Now I'm carrying my drone, and hopefully we don't get stopped from flying it.
ไกลแค่ไหนคะ800 เมตร800 meters ขอบคุณค่ะ
800 meters from here to there? Not bad. It's a pretty steep hill going up. That's why they don't want us to drive it ourselves. And they don't stay on their side of the road. So they just use whatever they want to of the lanes. think the camera does it justice. It's pretty steep going up the hill. I can already see off to the side pretty views from up here. See the river? I think it's a Mekong River. It's a hazy, overcast morning here. I don't know if that's normal. We're up pretty high elevation. Oh, the Buddha is here. See in the back side of the Buddha. There's English writing of the Thai words. Jai here under the sign that says Chiang Khan Skywalk. And directly behind her is a huge Buddha. There's more up here on top than I expected to see. Okay, that is the Mekong River, according to this sign right there. We'll have to work at it and see if we can get Jai to go on here, because I think she's going to be a no-go. Maybe though. It doesn't look that bad. May not be too bad for her. Well, it's huge. And we're up on top of the mountains. I don't know how there can be so much water up here. The big Buddha. Other lookout points here. If you don't have the guts to go out on the Skywalk, I guess you can just go in here. I think this is where the other river ties in from right here. You see the other small river coming to the Mekong, and right down there where they adjoin, I can see a little brown tone where it's coming into it. Okay, we're walking out now to the Skywalk area. Very nice. Pretty up here. Nice view. I gotta wait here for Jai or she won't come. Okay, Jai is actually walking out.
I cannot look down.
They're waiting to see if my weight, if it supports me, then they're willing to go. Jai's sucking right up to the rail here on the side. We got her out here though. I'm surprised.
I cannot look down. I will look down when video. When I watch video. Oh, very beautiful. Can you do shot?
I can see the little bit of a color change in the water down here from the other river that's coming in from the side. Jai's actually walking out on the glass now. I'm proud of her. There's no way she's going to look down. If she does, it's all over. I see a lot of people are walking on just the little metal strips though. They're not getting out on the glass. It's a real glare to me. I don't know if you can see until I get it out where I can look at it myself, and it ties into the Mekong River right here. You can see it. This is about the best view you're going to get standing out on the skywalk. Huge river. Be a great place to live, I think. Kind of cool. Ola overcame his fear of heights and came out here on it. He did good.
Yes.
And Pete Fern over there filming something. So everybody succeeded. Jai was ready to get off of it though. She's over on the metal part now. Okay, it's time to exit the skywalk. Jai, Ola, and Pete Fern, they're on their way out. They did well. I'm happy with all of them. They were all very nervous, but they all made it. They did just fine. Came all the way around. Yeah, great views up here. And it's actually starting to clear up a little bit. It's got hazy sky, but it turned out to be a decent day.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. do. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, yeah. You take me higher, baby.
Okay, everybody, we hope you've enjoyed this content. We're at the Chiang Khan Skywalk in Thailand. It's an incredible view. I was able to fly the drone a little bit, so if you like this content, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. It helps our channel. It doesn't cost you anything. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
Out.